In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with its Brainstormer gem, specifically using a clean layout. This guide will walk you through the process of accessing and utilizing this AI tool to help you generate ideas efficiently and effectively. Let's start by heading over to Google. If you're at your computer, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. This is the first step in accessing Gemini AI, which makes use of Google's web infrastructure. Once you're on the main Google page, go ahead and type Google Gemini into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be directed to a list of search results relevant to Google Gemini. This part of the process is straightforward, as it ensures you're heading to the correct site from a reliable source. In the search results, look for the official Google Gemini website and click on it. This will take you to the main hub where all the exciting features of Gemini AI are housed. It's important to make sure you're on the official site, as this ensures security and access to all available functionalities. Now that you're on the Gemini AI homepage, spot the Explore Gems section. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities as it showcases various tools and features that Gemini AI has to offer. Among these is the Brainstormer gem, which will be our main focus. Next, click on the Brainstormer. This feature is specifically designed to help you gather and organize ideas, making your planning process much more efficient. Think of it as your personal brainstorming assistant, always ready to lend a hand, or computational power, to generate brilliant ideas. Once you're inside the Brainstormer gem, you'll see various prompts and tasks that you can utilize. Let's select a specific task like, help me plan a large family reunion to host at my house. Clicking on this will take you to a tailored input area that focuses on your event planning needs. Here, you'll be asked to type in answers to a series of questions. These questions are designed to gather information about what you need for the event, what your goals are, and other relevant details. Take your time to input this information accurately, as it influences the quality of the AI-generated suggestions. Finally, after you've entered all your responses, simply click the Submit button. This action will send your data through Gemini AI's processing algorithms, enabling it to generate thoughtful and innovative ideas tailored to your specific needs. By following these steps, you'll have harnessed the power of Gemini AI's Brainstormer gem to facilitate your creative planning process. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Gemini AI interface and utilized the Brainstormer gem. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you explore and use this tool, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for tuning in, and happy brainstorming with Gemini AI.